got snacks in my bag. I got snacks in my bag. I got snacks in my bag.
Hey everybody, it's Amanda with the Mom Loved by Jesus, and this is
Drake.
And Drake is taking the Medical City Children's Hospital Kids Teaching Kids 21-Day Healthy Snack Challenge. So this is day 1, and today we're making fruit sushi. For our fruit sushi, we need strawberries, cream cheese, tortillas, and grapes. So we're gonna take a tablespoon of our cream cheese, pretty big heaping. Now put it on your tortilla. Scrape it out of there. There we go. Now smear all around your tortilla.
This is probably gonna taste good. I like cheese.
So while he's doing that, I actually have the recipe on my phone. They did give us a little book that contains probably about 20, maybe 30 recipes, as well as his tracking page. But on their website, there's over 500.
500?
Now we're going to take 5 of our strawberries and go over and wash them in the sink.
Okay. I'll want the cold water.
Cold water, please. No, hold on. Now dump it. Turn it back over. And then go over to your cutting board.
Can I cut it?
You're going to cut the tips off. And then put it back in this bowl. Nope, back in the bowl when you're
I'm gonna set this right there. Have no supervision.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to get your finger cut off.
Is that all of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you want to, you can eat the rest of them. The stuff you cut off.
Well, you need the bowl. You gotta go to the next step.
Okay.
You're gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds.
30 seconds. You gotta heat up. And meanwhile,
Stir them up a little bit because we've gotten kind of mushy. Okay, now put them in there for another 30 seconds.
into the point where it'll melt.
And they're gonna be cooked. 6 grapes. All right, Drake. Now in the meantime, you gotta come pull 6 grapes out and put them in this bowl.
Okay. Ah.
Look, you can get the ones that are already in the bottom.
Okay.
Make sure they're not squishy. That one's kind of squishy. Okay, you got 3.
And
That's 6. Oh, you're gonna eat one? Okay, I'll put that back. And go and wash those the same way you wash the strawberries.
Now, can you check on them? There we go. Whoa.
Set them on the counter, set them on the table. Alright, these are our strawberries. So now we're gonna head over and strain them into the sink, into this bowl down here. Because we're gonna use that juice it created. Nope, in the sink, honey.
Oh.
Alright.
Okay, can I do it?
I have water bottles on the bottom. Okay, now put in there into the. Shake it. Okay, it's all out. Okay, I just set it in there.
Wait, can I eat the strawberries?
Not yet. Alright, so we're gonna let that strain for a few minutes, and now we're gonna go microwave our grapes.
These are gonna go disgusting.
No, they're not.
I'm doing something to this.
Disgusting. 30 seconds, yes.
If you get mouth with a camera, they smell like good. I'll try to. What? What? Second. Huh? What do I do again? Do I do the same thing I did with the weight?
Hold on a minute. So now go get your strawberries. Do you need some help?
No.
Alright. We're gonna put this in.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna put them in the same bowl.
Even the juice?
Nope, not yet. Okay, we're gonna put that in the sink.
Mm.
Hey, can you just put it in the sink?
Tastes like watermelon.
Okay, so I'm gonna help you. So we're just gonna put it on the bowl. Hold on a minute, we're gonna mash these grapes up just a little bit. So it looks like the grapes need a little mashing. There we go. Alright, I think that's good.
What then? Can I drink the juice?
Nope. Can't
Put
drink
it in there?
Not yet. Nope. Get your plate.
Plate?
Yeah. So now you're gonna dump this on there and smear it. Use that knife and go ahead and smear it all around.
Ew.
I don't think it's EU. You like strawberries and grapes? Okay.
Yeah, but we're gonna have to do the same thing with you. You can do one too.
Why don't I just try by yours?
Okay.
Okay. Smear it all in there. Don't smash it anymore.
I think I
All right.
know
Do
that.
you think you're good? Good? Okay, you ready?
Mhm.
So
I'm
we're gonna
doing
set
that.
that right here, and now we're gonna roll it like a sushi roll.
Are we gonna poke something in it?
Nope.
Now what do I do with the
Hold
juice?
on a minute. Okay, give me that right there. Okay.
I'm gonna have Bubby.
These are nice and messy.
I'm gonna have Bubby want to try it. Can you go ask Bubby if
No.
you want to try one?
So you got a fruit roll, and then we're gonna take that and dump it across.
Let's try.
And try it. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Don't hold me. What do you think? Is it good? It's not bad. It's messy, that's for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Not sure what kind of fruit they used in the recipe. I mean, we used grapes and strawberries like the instructions said, but there's a lot of juice going on in here. But it's good. Would you eat this again?
I'm gonna.
You can eat the rest of it, yes. But would you eat it again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll have. Can you make the footage look for me?
We don't. We can take small bites. Well, day 1 of 21-day healthy snack challenge, I think was a go. Good? Good.
I got snacks in my bag.
I got snacks in my bag. I got snacks in my bag.